How to update BlockBlast app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to update BlockBlast app on your device. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap search icon at bottom right and the search bar at top. Type in BlockBlast. And from the result, you can easily find out BlockBlast. If there is update button, tap on it to update the app. Alternative method, you can reinstall the BlockBlast application if you do not see the update button. Once you reinstall, you can see the update button and you can tap on it to update it to the latest version. The next method you can find is simply open settings. Scroll down and look for apps, select that, tap on app management. Scroll down and look for BlockBlast and open its app info section. And here select storage uses and tap clear cache. And by following these two steps, you can simply update your BlockBlast app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.